Hello, hello, hello. We're here. Nelson is done. That's down. Let's see here. Let's hear so you can get here, you think? Okay. If you're listening to anything, starter won't turn. I think it's relay, 500,000 miles. That's not a battery voltage thing. Because I tried, jumping off from my reefer unit, brought the voltage up to 14, and still nothing. Any connections? Occasionally, looking at the switch, I can hear it. There's a solenoid clicking, and it's a starter. So wait on a tow truck. They finally sent the right vehicle. They had it in their head. Oh, he just needs to jump. I'm like, no, pull start. They called me again. I'm like, okay, good, because I was hoping you'd bring something better. So they had pull start, not a jump start. Because it's automatic. I'm like, nope. Can't pull start automatic. Oh, we got these big booster things here. I'm thinking, okay, the dude's not listening to me, the customer. Can you tell I'm not an open mouth breather? Perhaps I might have, I don't know, turned a wrench or two in my days. But, sending in regular truck, regular heavy truck, heavy duty truck. He's got to give me air so brakes will release from the drums or charge. They're up against the drums. To me, release the brakes, you release them from the drums. But to them, that means that's opposite. You release your brakes, release them up against the drums. I mean, the brakes are on, they're not released. You need air to release them. Their brakes are released, it's going to roll. When you release something, let it go. But so when we deal with tone comes with not the brakes release. We made me about release, like let go, like the brakes have released from the drums. Oh no, release against the drums. Like, okay, as long as I understand what you're saying. But pumping some air in my truck and just taking me forward. So I'm unhooked from the trailer. Whenever I'm unhooked, I'm still hooked, but unlocked from the trailer. They just pull me straight. I mean, shoot. Let's see here. Put this way. Get y'all good perspective. Perspective. I can sit to do some polishing. As well. Straight there. pull out my polish and polish my other rim. Yeah. Down yesterday, should do some work on it. But yeah, I'm motivated. Somebody else. God, told me it's gonna be a yellow truck. Yep, that's it. There he is. Alright. Well, let's know how it goes.